So you need a price quote for Windows, but are afraid of what happens when you click this button. You are afraid that you will be relentlessly pursued by phone calls and emails like this. At Zen Windows, we will never bombard you with relentless phone calls and emails. All that we need is some basic data, including your contact information and project details. Once we have this data, we will prepare an accurate price quote and send it back to you via email. You will receive these emails, which will include your price quote, information about our various window lines, and also information about our company. You will receive an accurate price quote that looks just like this one. What you will not receive are nonstop phone calls pressuring you to move forward. If you want an accurate price quote without relentless phone calls and shady sales tactics, then Zen Windows is exactly what you are looking for. This is how we serve our clients, and it really is this simple.